My name is Pooja Sanjay Nandurkar, class BSc second year group CBZ. My seminar topic is migration in bird. Migration is a periodic passing of animal from one's place to another place to another. It is a regular periodic to and from movement of popular of some birds between their summer and winter homes or breeding and nesting place to a feeding and resting place. Types of migration in bird take place in a variety of manners such as five types. First, latitude migration. Second, longitudinal migration. Third, altitudinal migration. Four, irregular or vagrant migration. Five, seasonal migration. First, latitudinal migration. It is the most popular migration in birds, that is north from to south. The northern hemisphere has a large land masses. Birds move during summer over the hemisphere where there are facilities for feeding and nesting. The birds return to the south for shelter during winter when north is covered with ice. Example, American golden plover passes the 9 months of winter in south in the pampas of Argentina, about 8,000 miles. Second is altitudinal migration. The up and down migration of the bird is known as altitudinal migration. Whenever large mountains are found in temperature regions, the birds migrate regularly up and down their slopes as weather changes. The bird passes the summer in the mountainous regions but returns the lowlands in winter. It is short journey from slopes to valleys. It is occurs in the grapes and coots and ends in Argentina, violet-green swallow of Great Britain, and the willow ptarmigan Siberia. Longitudinal migration. Some birds make longitudinal migration, that is, cast to west and vice versa. Example, the starling move from breeding area and East Europe or Asia towards the Atlantic coast to avoid the continental winter. Irregular or vagrant migration. In some birds, such as herons, after breeding an adult and the young may stay from their home to disappear in all directions over many or a few hundred miles in search of food and safety from enemies. Seasonal migration. When the birds migrate according to the seasons, it is called as seasonal migration. Example, summer visitors and winter visitors. Modes of flight in migration. First, nocturnal and diurnal flight. The birds migrate during the day is called as diurnal migration. For example, crows, sparrow, robins, etc. These birds travel of flocks. The birds migrate in the night